Well, hello again. Today on Apocalypse Off-Road, got my middleest daughter here with me to help out. So if the camera angles are a little shaky, you can blame her because she's going to be doing some filming. Today what we're doing, we're going to hook up to this old carcass of a tent trailer that I dropped this Land Cruiser body on a few years ago already. We're going to drag it up to the shop, scoot her on in there, and see if we can lift her up with the engine hoist cherry picker and lift it up high enough to scoot that chassis that we took my collector's plate HJ60 off of, and we're going to see if we can't build ourselves another Land Cruiser. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Pretty sure this trailer's got flat tires all around. Well, we're gonna just send it anyways. This is the rear end out of the Buick LeSabre hit the fast car that we're hanging on to just in case we need it for the Rust Brothers Hail Camino. For now it can sit there.
A little bit more. Perfect.
That's perfect. You're the best guider person ever. Yeah, there's a bunch of junk in here. I think we'll go through here once we get it up to the shop. That wasn't too hard. We got, I think we got air in both tires. How about that? I was sure those would be flat. Amazing. Okay, so what we got going on here, guys, is the plan of picking up the whole thing through the back. It just obviously wasn't going to work. It'd be way too front heavy. So I'm going to pick up the front first. I got this 2x10 here. We're going to lift her up, set the front on these jack stands here under the B-pillars up fairly high, and then I'll go around the back and pick up just the back, and that should be wide enough that I can roll the chassis right in underneath here. So here you go, Ellie. You can film this process. All right, 3 ought to hold it. Right. Oh yeah. Feels good. Okay. Now we just move this around the back. There you go. There's many ways to skin a cat, whether it's two-post hoist, excavator, jack stands, engine hoist. You get it done. You work with what you got, guys. Okay. That's looking pretty good.
Nothing happening yet. I don't think this will work very well. Doing good. Perfectly done. Sketchy.
We have a flying Land Cruiser. Now, I don't think the skid steer is here, which would be ideal for moving that and rolling it under here. So we're gonna have to come up with something. We'll see, maybe I'll just chain it to the front of my cruiser and go for it.
Jack, idea might not work.
We are getting close. Looks like we've just cleared that board. Now I can push it by hand. I'm going to unhook this and then take that shifter off, and we'll just push her in by hand. It's going great.
The other side.
Okay, come down with it.
What's that?
Come down with it.
Like that?
Yep.